Hello and welcome to our channel. My name is Rinat Khasanov. I am a registered investment advisor in the Russian Federation. We deliver services of different kind related to its stock market. And now we are introducing you our service in English language. Because we now created a website called FT Invest US, because we are trying to enter the market of English-speaking people, and the people who can invest in America and USA, and also in futures. So we are ready to introduce you our service. And today we're going to talk about American market, US technical analysis of different kind of benchmarks, of US benchmarks, S&P 500, NASDAQ, and many more, Brent, gold, silver, etc. Today we're going to talk about these markets and also about our portfolio, which has risen 1.83% per week. But you can also see that our rise was made in the field of decline of S&P 500, which has lost 2.61% per week, and now in a negative, again in a negative territory year to date. But our result is much better than S&P 500 SPX, and in my view, all of you can follow our portfolio. Our service is made for you, for all of you. We've been beating S&P 500 since, as you see, 16 years. And this graph should show you that for about 10 years we are delivering the results that are much better. Our alpha is always better than S&P 500. We use value investing. First of all, we are value investing. We have hundreds of different value calculations of American stocks in our database. And now we are doing this in English language too, so you can subscribe to our service. It's only near the $500 per year, and with a rather modest portfolio you can just buy our subscription for 1 year, and then follow our portfolio, which we deliver to you in a form of Excel file. When I make changes, it's supplied to you in our website in the document section or in our Telegram channel, closed Telegram channel, which we made for our customers. Yes, English is not my native language, but in my view there is no difference for you who and from which country are telling you something, because what we do is delivering the results for our customers. We also, I'm not alone, we are an American company. We have an American company. My partner Igor Kholodenko, he is an American citizen, and we make this business together. So there is no problem in paying, no problem in support. We all English speaking, and no problem should be for you in following our portfolio, because there is a lot of experience we have a lot of experience, and you can see this experience in the graph on the screen. So we made 1.83% per week, as I told you, but S&P have lost a rather significant amount. And also, speaking about the American market, there is a bear model in the USA. Market has reached a tipping point in this week, and also there were a problem in the following weeks here and here, but there were some good news, maybe some trend still existing, moving to the up. But now, in my view, American market has turned up, turning down, and maybe it's not a long trend, maybe it's a short-term trend, but our portfolio, I told you, is nearly empty. There's only 4 stocks there, and in my view, if we will have a small decline, it still be a very good result. But we have risen because of one stock gave us all this revenue. It's a luck, but not a luck at all, because what we own, it's a very undervalued stocks. I made every day new calculation about American stocks. Please go to our website, FT Invest US, and check yourself. This is not a luck. This is because we are buying undervalued stock. We are investing like a Warren Buffett. I'm myself a very good specialist about this person. I have a lot of articles writing about Buffett. We have Russian videos. We were discussing the result and all the things related with Warren Buffett. Please welcome. You can translate the video. It's a very interesting thing. So it's not a luck, our result. So in my view, you can just subscribe to our service and follow us. So American markets are all churning, looking bad in my view. There is no hope for turning up. Maybe I don't know, but in this situation, market should go down in my view. So we have empty portfolio, and maybe we will wait until there will be an upward reversal. So let's look at the other graph. There is a Brent oil. In my view, there was a negative technical model, but oil has risen on a Friday. And maybe it will turn up, so I will not make any negative purchases of futures for oil, but maybe I will wait for turning up. So I'm not sure about oil. There is also a still growing gold. With a still actual model, bull model. As you can see, the gold is on the Fibonacci 2 level. It's a Fibonacci structure with 2 major support, Fib 1 and Fib 2, and this one a final one. So, and I think there is still a good pattern for gold to rise to this level, but maybe it will turn it up. So please go to our website, subscribe to our Twitter. If there is some changes in the models, I will always write it about it in our website or in a Twitter account. Also, we talk about silver. Silver is rising and rising, following the model. I showed it to you in a previous video, but it was in Russian, sorry. So we begin speaking English. Maybe not very successful, but we are trying. I'm learning English for many years, so maybe I don't have a lot of experience speaking, but I read a lot, and maybe you understand, but there is should not be any problem in understanding what we do, because we are also writing, not only doing a video. So silver rising. Natural gas, also there is a reversal model, bull model. I see that it's gonna rise further. Then if there is a changes in any graph I show to you in this video, reversal, something like that, please subscribe to our X or Twitter channel, or just go to our website to see is there any changes in the technical patterns about anything that we are discussing here. So there was a head and shoulders model in a Bitcoin, but it hasn't worked because Bitcoin has risen to new records level. But in my view, if you look at RCI, it is very, very overbought. And RCI shows us that the market has reached its, I don't know how to say, the point where it's very hard to rise. In my view, market force were against Bitcoin nearly about this level here. But somebody, maybe it's a big investors, maybe it's a country, I don't know, China for example, yes, who buy Bitcoin without any, I don't know, any try to make some money in a short term. Yes, they're just buying using a plan. In my view, this is not a very good situation for Bitcoin. If they stop buying, the cryptocurrency will fall, and will fall very significantly. So to the dollar index, as you can see, the bear model still, which I showed to you in previous videos, still active. In my view, not there is no turning up yet. Maybe in the future, but I don't know now. So the dollar index is fallen, also with the rising yield of American bonds. Such a situation this situation is very bad, not very bad, maybe when the yield rise, the discount rate which we use and everybody used to value share, for example, it's also rise. So the value estimation is going down when discount rate rise. So it's a very, when yield of American bonds rise, it's a very big hit for very high valued sector of American market, such as I don't know, Apple, Amazon, Facebook, and other company related with IT. They have a very high estimations, very high prices, not related with the value. And this is a risk in American market related with that. So please consider this. I will not invest in indices, in the index fund, such as funds on S&P 500, for example. I will not invest. Please consider this idea and better follow our portfolio, because in America and the US there is no such opportunity to earn money, to receive a passive income than our portfolio. Use our service and you will be okay. Thank you very much.